Hi everyone, my name's Luke Parker and this is the Bracebridge Engineering YouTube channel. Bracebridge Engineering is a 40-year-old metal stamping and pressings company based in Birmingham in the UK, and what we do is all different kinds of pressings, from covers like this to fencing brackets, automotive products, all sorts of things. The purpose of this YouTube channel really is just to educate people around stamping. There's a lot of questions that people commonly ask, and provide information and hopefully a bit of entertainment around the stamping industry. We've got lots of products, we make lots of different things, and people obviously talk about various different things: pricing, quality, delivery, how my product's made, what happens when the material comes in right through to finishing, what sort of finishing can you do, physical constraints around pressing, you know, can I get a tight radius on this, can I not, all sorts of things, different metals. So what I'm going to do over the next course of a few weeks, months, years hopefully, is to do a series of YouTube videos on different topics, and obviously if people have got questions and they'd like to send in, then by all means do, and we'll try and answer those questions, and hopefully it should be a bit of fun, and it'll be exciting. So the next video hopefully should be the start of a question that needs answering. Okay, thanks all, and we'll see you soon.